Sorry guys. I hope it is working fine now. I hope it is working fine now. Okay? Fine. So please read the information given here. So six friends, Ellen, Brian, Chris, Diana, Ellie and Fred went to a casino to try their luck. Somehow all six friends are lucky because they won different amounts of money. Right? So nobody lost anything. Everyone is winning something. So initial amount is given, winning amount, right? The amount won is also given. Okay. As well as the final amount that they end up with, this is also okay. So in a sense, if I form a table, something like this, right? Person, then initial amount, then amount won, and finally final amount. Okay. So let's form a table like this. Hmm. Right. By the way, the amount that they started with, if I write all the values in increasing order, can I say it is 150? I'm writing initial amounts in increasing order, ascending order. 150, 170, then 190. After that, we have 200, 210, and 230. Okay. And now notice one thing. Obviously, initial amount plus amount 1 will be equal to final amount. Okay. So, they are saying one thing, that 5 of them had total amounts at the end, these amounts, right? Some amounts are given. So, by the way, think about it. How can we get 530? How can we get 530? I believe there is only one way to get 530. The person started with 230 and then won 300. These are the maximum values, right? So this is the only way to get 530. So the person who started with 230, that person won 300, right? And then finally he has 530 rupees. Okay. Now, similarly, the least amount that we have here is 290. How can we get 290? 150 plus 140? Not possible. 170 plus, sorry, 150 plus 140? Not possible. 170 plus 120 is possible. 170 plus 120 is equal to 290. In fact, this is the only case. 170 plus 120 is equal to 290, isn't it? Right? So, Abhigyan, at the end of session, I'll be giving you the schedule. You can check there. Okay. Now think about it. How is this 340 is possible. How 340 is possible? Can it be 150 plus 190? But here we do not have 190. No, not possible. Can it be 190 plus 340? I'm talking about 190 plus 150. That is possible. Right. 200 plus 140. Obviously not possible. 210 plus 130. No, nothing is possible. Only one possibility to get 340 is 190 plus 150. So 190 plus 150 is equal to 340. We need to do a little bit of hit and try. Think about it. How can we get final amounts? By adding initial amount and amount to 1. That's how we are getting final amount, right? So what are the combinations that are possible? And we are looking at the unique possible or unique solutions or unique combinations. That, by the way, next thing, how can we get 380? How can we get 380? Can it be 150 plus 230? But 230 is not there in amount of 1. No. 200 plus 180. That is possible. 210 plus 170. That is not possible. So how can somebody get 380? Only one possibility. 200 plus 180. That will be equal to 380. Right? Now regarding the next thing, how can we get 450? How can we get 450? I believe 150 plus 300 is not possible. But 210 and plus 240. So 210 plus 240 is equal to 450. Now in the amount, initial amount only 150 is left. And in the amount 1 only 270 is left. So 150 plus 270 is equal to 420. Notice one thing. There were only 5 values given in the final amount. We had to figure out the sixth one. We had to figure out the sixth one. And we are able to figure it out from this one. Right? Now what do we need to do? We need to identify the persons. So hello Rahul, good evening. We need to identify the person, right? So Pulkit, no, it is not 3 minutes set. You're talking about cat, right? And this is not that easy. By the way, focus on the second point. They are saying amount won by Diana, Fred, Ellen and Chris were in AP in no particular order. Okay, so amount to 1. So we need to focus on the second column, amount to 1. So there are 4%. Diana, Fred, Ellen and Chris. They were in AP. How can we get AP? Right. If common difference is 30, then 120, 150, 180, 210 is not there. No. Common difference can be 60. So basically what am I saying? The amount 1 by amount 1. We are focusing on amount 1. Right. By there are Diana, Fred, Alan and Chris. Right. Now can I say the 4 numbers which are in AP in amount 1? I believe these numbers are with a common difference of 60. We have 120, 180, 240 and 300. But who won what amount? Till this point we do not know anything. Who won what amount? Till this point we do not know anything. By the way, amount won by Chris, Ellie and Alan were in GP. So Chris, Ellie and Alan, they were in GP. How can we get that? In no particular order. So obviously we need to pick 2 numbers from these 4. And the third and the other 2 number from the other 2. Or other 1 number, other 2. Now what are we left with? We are left with only 270 and 150, isn't it? We are left with only 270 and 150. Yes, can I say? 120, 180 and 270, these values are in GP, isn't it? With a common difference of 1.5, these values are in GP, right? So from this, can I say Ellen and Krish, right? Their amount to 1 must be 120 and 180. In what order, we do not know. And Ellie must have won 270. So Ellie won 270 rupees, whereas on 120 and 180, we have Ellen and Krish. But in what order, we do not know, isn't it? So if it is clear that 120 or 180 were right, who was winning these rupees? Ellen and Krish. So it means Diana and Fred were winning the other two amounts. Diana and Fred were winning other two amounts, isn't it? So Diana and Fred were winning other two amounts, that is 240 and 300. From this we can say Brian must be here. Brian must have won 150 rupees, isn't it? By the way, amount won by Brian, Krish and Ellen were in AP. Yes, 120, 150 and 180. These are in AP, isn't it? And same is true for Ellie, Fred and Diana. The same is true for Ellie, Fred and Diana. So yeah, 270, 240, 300. These are also in that order only. But in, okay, again in AP. I hope you guys understood this one. So we are able to solve up to this point. Okay. We are able to solve up to this point. Now, let's move forward and have a look at our first question. This was our solution. Okay. Order is changed, but this was our solution. So question number 1 is, how many of the 6 people had at least twice the money at the end than initial amounts? At least twice. Think about it. Yes. Vikram, you are getting 3. Jen, you are getting 3. Bhaskar, you are also getting 3. At least twice. I don't know. I think one is this person, other is this person, and a third person is this. Can I say these are the 3 person, not these 3? Our answer is 3, isn't it? And who are these 3 person? Ellie, Diana and Fred. Ellie, Diana and Fred. Our answer is 3. Excellent. Next. If amount won by Diana was at least twice the amount won by Ellen. If amount won by Diana was at least twice the amount won by Ellen. By the way, Diana won either 240 or 300. So it was twice at least the amount won by Ellen. So Ellen can never win 180. No, Ellen can never win 180. Ellen can never win 180. So Ellen must have won 120 only. So Krish can never win 120. Isn't it? Then find the amount at the end with Krish. So Krish is here. Amount at the end with Krish. This is theta question. We'll simply write. Our answer is 380. Okay. Diana won either 240 or 300. The amount won by Diana was at least twice the amount won by Ellen. If Ellen won 180, then the amount that Diana won will not be at least twice. It is less than 2 times. So Ellen can never win 180 rupees. So Ellen must have won 120 rupees. So Krish won 180 rupees. So total amount with Krish is 380 rupees. Done. That's how we are solving it. Anyway, next one. How many of the following numbers can be the possible sum of initial amount with Ellen and Dinah combined? So initial amounts with Ellen and Dinah combined, how many of the following numbers can be the possible sum? Tell me, what will be the answer? So for Ellen, the initial amount, there are two possibilities, 170 and 190. For Dinah, again there are two possibilities, 210 and 230, isn't it? If I add these two, so I believe we are getting here how much? One possibility is 380. If I add these two, we are getting 400. If I add these two, again we are getting 400. And if I add these two, we are getting 410. So what are possible? This is possible, this is possible, this is possible, but not this. So out of the given 4, how many of the values are possible? Can be. Is it really A? Yes. Priya, Devika, Vikram. Don't worry. Right. We'll get through it. Okay. How many values are possible? 3 values are possible. Right. Okay. Next one. The last question of this set. Quickly solve this. Ellen and Diana decided to find out the combined profit percent made on total initial amount with both of them. Okay. Neither of them won neither the lowest nor the highest money. So Ellen did not win lowest. So Ellen did not win lowest. So Ellen must have won 180. So here we have Ellen here. Okay. Whereas Diana, and neither of them won neither lowest nor highest. So Diana cannot win 300. So Diana is not here. Diana is here. Okay. So Diana won 240. So can I say to initial amount, they are asking profit percentage. So initial amount with both of these put together, it was 410. Profit made by both of these put together, it is 420. So 420 is what percentage of 410? Can I say it will be slightly more than 100%? Obviously not 109. This is too much high. Our answer is 102%. Approximately 102%. Just apply approximation. Okay. Done. Next, have a look at next set. Please read the given information. Please read it. Okay. So first of all, Delhi Table Tennis Committee periodically organizes a registration drive for the membership of committee. The following details are known about registration drive of committee held in April 2019. Okay. So a total of 10 non-registered players participated in the drive. Once a non-registered player finished playing his or her fourth table tennis match against any of the existing registered member of the organization, he or she become a registered member of the committee. So keep in mind, this is a registration drive. They are not providing practice to these players. So once a player has completed his or her 4 matches, then the player will not play any further match. Once a player has completed his or her 4 matches, the player will not play any further match. Okay, in this drive. Now, whatever he is playing, that will be out of this drive, out of this registration drive. And then they are saying drive lasted for 3 weeks, and in each week, each player who had not become a registered player at the beginning of the week played at least one, but up to 4, obviously including 4 matches with any of the existing registered members of organization. Okay. And then they are saying in all 3 players qualified in the first week, and also 3 more qualified in second week, and the remaining 4 qualified in third week. So all 10 qualified basically. So every player played how many? Every player played how many matches? Every player played how many matches? 4 matches, right? So can I say total number of matches? If I see, in fact, if you notice one thing, the first question is how many matches were played in third week? We know there are only 3 weeks, right? There are 10 players. Every player will play 4 matches to become the member. The total number of matches are 40, out of which 25 matches were played in first round, 11 matches were played in second round. So 36 matches were played in first and second round. So how many matches were played in not round weeks? Okay, 25 matches were played in first week, 11 matches were played in second week. So remaining 4 matches were played in third week. Is it clear? So out of these 40, in week number 1, 25 matches were played. In second week, 11 matches were played. And in third week, remaining 4 matches were played. Is it clear? Everybody understood it? Done. So we can answer this particular question. Our answer is E. Total number of matches will be 40. So once a player has completed his or her 4 matches, then the player will not be part of this registration drive. Okay. I hope this point is clear. Done. But we can find out some more information as well. For example, how many players played more matches in second week than in first week? So we need to do some more analysis. Okay. So what am I saying? Let's remove this. There are 3 weeks. We have week number 1, we have week number 2, and then we have week number 3. Okay. Players are suppose P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9 and P10. These are the name of players. So here what am I writing? I am writing about the information or about the number of matches played. I will be writing about the number of matches played in each week. By the way, notice one thing. In all, 3 players each qualified for the membership of committee at the end of first week and second week. So if that's the case, so obviously 3 players must have played 4 matches each. So suppose those are P1, P2 and P3. They played 4 matches or they completed their 4 matches in the first week itself. And after that, they will not play any other match in the coming weeks. So 3 players, namely P1, P2 and P3. They became member by the end of first week only. Right? I hope this point is clear. Everybody is understanding. By the way, only one player played exactly 3 matches in the first and second weeks. So basically one player played 3 matches in first week. Right? And we know in every week a player is playing at least 1 match. So the player who played 1 match in the first week, that player must have played second or the player who played 3 matches in the first week, that player must have played 1 match or remaining 1 match in second week only. So that player became the member second week. Isn't it? Tell me, have a look. Is it clear? Tell me. I hope it is clear. Everybody understood this one. So there is one player who played 3 matches in the first week. And we know there is one player who played 3 matches in second week as well. So there is another player who played 3 matches in second week as well. So this player again became, let's say, so this player must have played 1 match in the first week. Because if a player is not a member, that player is playing at least 1 match per week. So this is the second player who became a member by the end of second week or in the second week. Right? By the way. Point number 7. Focus on this thing. Exactly one player who played 2 matches in the first week became registered member of the committee at the end of second week. So suppose that player is P6. So this player played 2 matches in second week. So this player also this player became member at the end of second week. So this player must have played 2 more matches. We require 4 matches, right? For every player, we require 4 matches. That is the thing. For every player, we require 4 matches in a week. I hope this point is clear. Guys, tell me, is this point clear? So 3 players became the members in first week. Those 3 players are P1, P2, P3. 3 players became the member in second week. Those players are P4, P5, P6. Tell me, is it clear or should I repeat? Is it clear or should I repeat? So obviously they will not play any other match or any match in third week. Is it clear or should I repeat? Clear. Okay, Jay. Others? Okay, Vikram. Okay, Bhaskar. Okay, so it is clear, right? Look at the other players. By the way, in the first week, there were a total of 25 matches. Till now, what do we have? What is the total? Can I say 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12 plus 3 plus 1, 12 plus 2, 18. So, can I say till now we have counted 18 matches? Still we are left with how many matches? 7 more in the first week. And we know exactly one player played 3 table tennis matches in first week. So we have 4 players and there should be 7 matches. So can I say only one possibility? No player can play 3 matches in first week apart from P4. So 3 of the remaining 4 must have played 2 matches and 1 must have played 1 match. Only then the total will become 25. Only then the total will become 25. Right? By the way, here we have 11. And in the last week, number of matches played are 4. So obviously, P7, P8, P9 and P10, all of them played 4 matches. Okay. And for every player, total number of matches played must be 4. So P7 must play 1 match in the second week. P8 also must play 1 match. P9 again 1 match. And P10 2 matches. Now check out for week number 2. Is the total equal to 11? The total number of matches played, is it 11? Please check it out. Is it 11? Bhaskar, please check again. It is 11. Okay. Of course, it will be 11. Right. So this is our solution. By the way, if you remember, the question number 5 we are already done with it. Question number 6. How many players played more matches in second week than in first week? Let's count those players. For that, I'll have to go back to the solution. How many players played more matches in second week than in first week? So let's go back to the solution. Can I say 1 is P5 or I'll be using a different color now. Yes. One player is P5. P5 played more matches in second week as compared to first week. Okay, Vikram, you are getting 3. And can I say other is P10? Is there anyone else? The number or basically the number of players who played more matches in second week as compared to the first week. Is there anyone else? One is P5, other one is P10. Okay. Done. So answer of question number 6 will be 2. Next one. How many players played exactly 2 matches in second week? How many players played exactly 2 matches in second week? Welcome, Abhishek. How many players? I believe there were 2 players. Isn't it? Yes, everyone. Yes, Rahul, Abhishek, Bhaskar, okay, Vikram, Priya, everyone. 2, right? 2. You know. Okay, I'll just go on. 2. P6 and P10. Isn't it? So let's go back. Question number 7. Our answer is 2. Next. How many players played exactly 2 matches in third week? How many players played exactly 2 matches in third week? Answer is no one. Because the remaining 4 player P7, P8, P9, P10, all of them, each of them played exactly 1 match in the third week. So our answer is 0. Okay. Now the next set, have a look. Please read it. Please read the conditions here. Manoj, because there were only 4 matches left for the last week. 4 players left, 4 matches left. And it was given every week, all the players or every player who is not a member plays at least 1 match. That's why the 4 matches left, 4 players left. So every player will play 1 match each. P7 to P10, okay. Not P6 to P10. I hope it is clear. Again, do not forget to like this session and share it among your fellow aspirants. Okay. Anyway, please read it. And we'll try to solve this set together. So each of the 6 person A, B, C, D, E, F, okay. Abhishek, Bala, Chetan, Drishti, Ekanshi, Farhan receive a different monthly salary out of these values and not necessarily in same order. Okay. So basically what I'll be doing, let's try to solve this particular question. Let's try to solve this particular question together. Okay. So we have persons, their salary, they're also given some bonus, and then their income. Income is salary plus bonus. You already know income is salary plus bonus. 6%. Okay. By the way, if I write all the values in terms of thousands only, okay, I'll write in terms of thousands only. No point writing 3 zeros everywhere. So I'll write all the values in terms of thousands only. Okay. So first of all, if I, let's say, write all these values in decreasing order, or their salaries in decreasing order. So what do we have here? We have 35,000. I'm writing these values in decreasing order. Okay. 30,000, 25,000, 20,000, 15,000, and 10,000. Isn't it? That's what we are getting. Okay. So what are they saying? Among the 6%, exactly 3% receive a monthly bonus of 15,000 each, and the other 3 do not receive any bonus. Okay. Exactly 3% receive a bonus, a monthly bonus of 3,000 rupees, and the other 3 do not receive any bonus. Okay. By the way, certain information is given. For example, and also the income of no two person is same. So income of all 6% must be different. So in the last column we must be getting different values. In the last column we must be getting different values. Okay. So by the way, point number 1, they are saying Abhishek's monthly income is greater than that of Bala. So they are talking about income. So Abhishek's monthly income is greater than that of Bala. I will write it below the column of income so that we know that this relation is given, right, on which parameter. And Bala, whose monthly salary is greater than that of Ekanshi. So Bala's monthly salary is greater than that of Ekanshi. Okay. Next thing. Guys, by the way, notice one thing. Okay, I'll come back to second point. Third point, have a look. Farhan's monthly income is 5,000 more than Chetan's. So Farhan's monthly income is 5,000 more than Chetan. We are already writing all the values in terms of thousands only. But difference between their monthly salaries is not 5,000. So difference between their monthly salaries, right? Difference is written in mod. Okay, I hope everything is clear. It cannot be 5,000. Vikram, we do not know. Quite possible that other person are also getting bonus. So not really. Not really. Okay. You'll see the solution. So Kritika, every set, I will not say every set is difficult, right? You can get one set which is easy, right? Some set which are moderate level and only one or two sets which are difficult. Okay. And this is of moderate level, not difficult. Anyway, I hope this point is clear. Point number 4. Drishti who does not receive any monthly bonus. So for bonus, Drishti does not receive any monthly bonus. Right. So bonus of Drishti is 0. Receives monthly salary more than Farhan. So Drishti receives monthly salary which is more than Farhan. And then the last point, point number 5. Okay. No, Vikram, that is not given. They are saying that income of no two person is same. Right. That is a different thing. The monthly income of Ekanshi is lower than that of Drishti. So monthly income of Ekanshi is lower than the monthly income of Drishti. Okay, this is the relation given. Right. We'll check it out. Okay. Okay, Bhaskar. Okay, Vikram. Anyway, second point. They are saying monthly income of the person with second highest monthly salary. Second highest monthly salary means the person who was earning 30,000 is 10,000 more than the monthly income. Is 10,000 more than the monthly income of the person with fourth highest salary. The fourth highest is 20,000. So can I say difference between their salaries difference between their salaries is 10,000. So difference their income is also 10,000. That's what they are giving us. So can I say they must have received same amount of bonus? They must have received same amount of bonus, isn't it? They must have received same amount of bonus. The difference in salaries is 10,000. Difference in income should also be 10,000 from point number 2. Okay, difference in income, it should also be 10,000. So their bonus must be same. And if their bonus must be same, so can I say one thing? Either both of them got the bonus of 15,000 or both of them did not get the bonus. Okay. So what I will do, case number 1, suppose both of them got the bonus of 15,000, isn't it? So can I say then the income, here it will become 35, this will become 45. And by the way, we know that monthly income of no two person is same. If I put 0 here, then this will become 35. And then these two will become equal, which is not possible. Which is not possible. Agree? So can I say it means what? We cannot put 0 here. It means only that thing. So we cannot put 0 here. So basically this person also got 15,000 bonus. So the income became 50,000. The other three got 000 bonus. So 25, 15 and 10. By the way, focus on F and C. Focus. Now it is working fine. I had lost internet connection. Sorry for that. And okay. So let's come back to the question. I was saying focus on F and C. Okay. So focus on F and C. What are we getting? Yes, guys. Focus on F and C. We know their difference in income must be 5. How can we get that? But difference in salary cannot be 5. Can I take 50 and 45? Answer is no. Why? Because difference in salaries is also 5. So not possible. Now 45 and 35, 35 and 30, no, that is not possible. Another case might be 15 and 10. But this is again not possible because again the difference in salaries is again 5. Okay. So this is again not possible. So basically we are not getting any solution for F and C that is satisfying both of these conditions. The difference in income is 5,000, whereas difference in salaries cannot be 5,000. Okay. So it means our assumption that both of these two persons got a bonus. That is wrong. So it means there must be the only other case, that is both of these did not get any bonus. Where is that line? Both of these did not get any bonus. Okay. So our assumption that both of these, second highest salary and third highest salary, both of these got bonuses. That is wrong. So only one possibility, both of these did not get any bonus. So 0, 0. So we get here 30 and we get here 20. Isn't it? By the way, if I put 15 here, then this will also become 30. Then these two will become equal, which is not possible. So it means what? The person whose salary is 15,000, that person can never get any bonus. The person whose salary is 15,000, that person can never get any bonus. Now, we know the 3% who are not getting any bonus. So it means other 3% are getting the bonus. We get here 50 This is 40 and this is 25. That's how, right? Vikram, Bhaskar, guys, have a look. It's not necessary that top 3 are receiving the bonus. This case is also perfectly fine. Tell me, is it clear? Agreed. Nice. By the way, we know in case of income, F minus C must be 5,000. So can I say one possibility is maybe F is for 30 and C is 25. I'm just checking out this case. If F is 30, if income of F is 30,000, then income of C is 25,000. By the way, we know salary of D is more than the salary of F. So if salary of F is 30,000, so D means Drishti. The salary of Drishti must be how much? 35,000. But we also know that Drishti is not getting any bonus. But in this case, Drishti is getting the bonus. Not possible, right? So let's remove this case. This is not possible. Oh no, again another horizontal line is gone. Drishti should not get any bonus. So in that case, so 30 and 25 are not possible. So can I say the only, now we can check out 15 and 20. Obviously these two are not possible automatically. Why? Because then the difference between salaries is also 5,000. So 20 and 15 are not possible. F minus C is equal to 5. We just checked that 30 minus 25 is not possible. Why? Because then Drishti is getting the bonus. But it is already known that Drishti who does not receive any monthly bonus. Okay. Now, 20 and 15, this is not possible. Now, the only thing is we need to identify the person. Okay. So, what I will do, let's again go back and have a look. So, can I say the only possibility here is 25 minus 20? Because then the difference is not 5. So, income of F or Farhan is 25 and income of Chetan must be 20, isn't it? By the way, salary is it clear? I hope it is working fine, right? Yes, guys. Tell me, is it clear up to this point? Up to this point, is everything clear? Yes. Okay, Tanveer. Right. By the way, we know one thing. We know one thing that first of all, Drishti is not earning any bonus, and income of Drishti is more than that of Ekanshi. So Drishti is not earning any bonus. So Drishti can be either here or here. But income of Drishti is more than Ekanshi. So only one possibility, Drishti is here. Isn't it? Now who can have more income than Drishti? A. Abhishek can have more income than Drishti. Isn't it? By the way, in their salaries, Bala has more salary than Ekanshi. Bala has more salary than Ekanshi. Bala has more salary than Ekanshi. So this is our solution. I hope it is clear. And now, yes, you can answer all the given questions. What is the total monthly salary of salary? Okay, not income, salary of all the person who receive monthly bonus. So can I say 35,000 plus 25,000 plus 10,000? We are getting here 70,000. That's it. What is the total monthly income of Drishti? Our answer is 30,000. What is the difference between monthly salary of Bala and monthly income of Abhishek? So monthly salary of Bala and monthly income of Abhishek. So difference between these two, I can say it is 25,000. Vikram, it will take something around 10-12 minutes to solve this particular question. And here I deliberately took those cases first which get eliminated. Because here my objective is to explain you that this is the only unique case possible. So I deliberately took those cases which are not valid. Right. Yes, Manoj, only one pair has the difference in income. Basically, there were three pairs, but only one pair was there where difference in salary was not 5K, or basically, which was satisfying all the condition, including the Drishti gets no bonus. So you are checking each and every case. Now, what is the difference between the monthly salary of the person with second highest monthly income? Can I say second highest monthly income? That person is Bala. 40,000. Bala is earning 40,000. So monthly salary of this person. So monthly salary is 25,000. And the monthly income of the person with second highest monthly salary. Second highest monthly salary, who's earning second highest monthly salary? Drishti. And what is the monthly income? 30,000. Difference between these two is simply 5,000. Isn't it? Okay. So guys, these were the three quite interesting sets of quantitative reasoning. So guys, these are our upcoming MBA courses. So for next year's CAT, batch number 3, right? And we are starting it on 9th of November. Now Mission MBA, that is for other management entrance exam for TISNET, CMAT, MAT, Maharashtra CET, right? For this year's enrollment starts on 2nd November. In fact, enrollment already started and the study plans will start on 9th of November. So this is our schedule of the final revision classes for CAT 2020 with 100 percentilers. Manoj, I believe you mean that writing the numbers in ascending and descending order. Of course it does. It helps us a lot. We can clearly see where there is an increase or decrease. Somebody has higher income, somebody has lower income, somebody has higher salary, somebody has lower salary. In fact, if you remember the first set, we were talking about APGP. So it helped us a lot. Otherwise, we would be so much confused. The 4 numbers are in AP, 3 numbers are in GP. If we write values in ascending or descending order, then these things will help us a lot in identifying the pattern. So yes, sorting does help. So this is our team. Okay, so as you can see, quite a few of us are 100 percentilers in CAT. So to get access, to get unlimited access to all structured live classes and mock tests, you can subscribe to Gradeup Super. Currently, we are having three options: 18 months, 6 months, and 3 months. And if you have any query, so you can contact on this particular number. So plus we have a green card. With the help of green card, you can access the mock test of CAT and other management entrance exam. So CAT 2020 new mock test and sectional test, these are available for basically new pattern. So these are available for 999. I hope most of you must have downloaded your admit card. If not, please do so and take the printout. All the best, guys.